And like we say, education is the biggest equalizer. Education is what brings the son of a teacher, the son of a PS, the son of a peasant farmer on the same table. And as we discuss and follow through on many things that you have raised and we've responded to, let's take a step back and ask ourselves, as teachers from Gusii region, how do we positively impact the education of our children from the two counties? That if you look at today's budget, the biggest amount has been dedicated to education. When President Ruto came into power, the budget was around 500 billion shillings. Today, it is 784 billion shillings. So that we employ enough teachers, we build enough classrooms, we make sure that capitation is paid in good time, we make sure that higher learning is also taken care of. And we cannot do all this when our children from Gusii region don't go to school, or when we allow children to drop out of school. And as the leaders in the education sector, you have the biggest responsibility to speak to your membership, to take the matters of education for our children seriously. Let's talk about healthcare. Before, only 8 million Kenyans were covered under NHIF. Today, more than 32 million Kenyans are covered under SHA. And if we are just being candid and honest amongst ourselves, before SHA, personally, I was belonging to several WhatsApp groups ya kuchanga pesa, ya kulipa bill, ya hospital. Today, not even one. I'm talking about me. I don't know about you. If there's a WhatsApp group that I am in, labda ni ya kupanga mambo ya mazishi. What does that mean to me as an employee or as someone who is a government staff who earns a salary? Today, my SHA deduction is around 22,000 Kenya shillings. Before, it was around 1,700, 1,800. But on average, in a month, my contribution to help family and friends sort hospital bills was more than 100,000 in a month. Today, I'm not paying that 100,000, I'm not spending that 100,000, but I'm being deducted 22,000. It means I have been saved from black tax that is more than 80,000. And I'm sure it is the same story with all of you, even if it's not in the same magnitude. That is what transformation means. That is what carrying everybody means, like we need to do with our sister here. That when everybody else is paying tax, but because of the challenges that those who are enabled differently have, we allow them not to carry some of this burden because we have that responsibility. Me paying 22,000 and someone else paying 600 shillings a month might look very unfair from where I sit. But if I think about this country and moving people together, it is the right thing that a decent society has to do. Yes, 22,000 is a lot of money, but in reality, it is saving me 80,000 more.